Each week we're going to be adding new techniques to your very own art journal. Today's page is going to focus on texture. All you need are ordinary things from around the house to add texture to your drawings. So if we take a look at this one that I have here, you can see I have all these cool textured shapes on my page. So to get started, like I said, I've grabbed some things from my house, and you're just going to put them under your page. Like that's an orange bag, a piece of corrugated cardboard, some lace, and then you're going to put your piece of paper back on top. And then I'm using these really cool triangle crayons on their side to pick up my texture. And I'm pushing down pretty hard, but you just want to make some little texture swatches, we would call them, which are just kind of areas of color and samples of what kind of textures that you can make. I like to try out things like the sidewalk. There's registers or vents around your house that you would maybe find some good textures. And here's our orange bag. You can see all of that netting. And you can make these areas as big or as tiny as you want. You can even overlap colors like that. So I've got some that I have gone ahead and gotten ready, and you can see I have all different colors. And then you're going to make some shapes. So go ahead and grab a stencil, or you can always free-form doodle shapes. Or you can trace the lid of a Tupperware or bowl or something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and outline this shape. And then I'm ready to cut it out. Or you can leave it, it's up to you. And so then we're just going to go ahead, and you can either leave your marker colors or you can just free form cut around it. And you might want to save your scraps to add to your page later. But when you're finished, you can use a glue stick to put some glue on the back. And then we're going to come over to my finished page, and I'm going to add it to my collage. I think I'm going to put it down here by this heart. And then you just want to smooth it out. Now, you can see on the heart and the star that they don't really stand out as much as they could. So I'm going to use some paint pens to outline my shapes. So let's start with this heart. And you can leave your lines smooth, and I'm going to skip over that star area since they're overlapping, or you can add neat little scallopy edges. But you can see how the outline really makes your shape stand out, as well as kind of frames up your texture. And you would just keep going around each of your shapes. And you can mix and match colors. You can, with these pens, you can color on top of the crayons. And I can add some pink to the center of my flower, like so. Anything goes, but just walk around your house, grab your crayons, and then just start picking up textures and go from there.